Okay, here we are. It's been a few days since the last video, and you can see that the add water sign is on. The light is flashing red. So we're gonna add water, but what I did purposefully was to let this stay on for a couple of days and look at the growth since the last video. We're gonna have to raise the light again. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna raise the light and we're gonna add the water. We're not gonna add food unless it says to add food. And this thing is gonna explode. Because what happens is the roots are hanging down and they're seeking out the water. And what happens is the upper portion mirrors the root system. So the bigger the roots, the bigger the plant. And because of the stretching in the roots, the plant basically explodes. So we're gonna add the water in through here and take this out. We'll add some water, as you can see inside. If it says to add food, we'll go ahead and add the food too. All right, stay tuned for the next one.